What's good, fools? Alright, today we're reviewing SBOY by Draco, aka Soulja Boy. Now, the presentation, I say, is fucking top notch. But does it stand up? Does the presentation and the price stand up? This cologne is $250. Hold on, let me double check. Get my prices right. Okay, yeah, $250 for this is a bottle. Draco. Now, I wore this last night, but I'm gonna do it again. On initial spray, you get hit in the face with sweetness. I'm gonna tell you that. Like, it's sweet. Like hungry sweet. Like, it makes you hungry. So, I'm not gonna lie. This smells, not bad, freaking battery's dying. But this smells amazing. It does smell amazing. The main notes, it says is sweet, powdery, fruity, creamy, and synthetic. Fragrance notes: musk, caramel, peach, tonka bean, amber, bergamot, coconut, Irish jasmine, lavender, lemon, oak moss, rose, sandalwood, vanilla. Now, the scent, like I said, is freaking amazing. My girl loves it. But as far as the price, I don't think it's worth $250. Maybe $45. Yeah, cause like I said, it smells amazing. I cannot lie. Like that sweet, I smell it. That caramel, I smell it. I smell a tiny bit of musk, but I definitely smell that coconut and that vanilla. And kind of the powder. Yeah, I can get that. The powder smell. But as far as like longevity, it does not last long. Man, it doesn't last long at all. Like, it does smell like a $250 scent, but the longevity and stuff like that, that's what makes it, for me, that, what, like I said, what price did I say? I forgot, but I wouldn't pay over $50 for this, cause that longevity. I mean, come on, you paying $250 and it doesn't even last. I sprayed it and it lasted maybe about an hour. I mean, you could still smell it, but like on clothes, it lasts maybe about 3 hours, I would say. But on skin, it doesn't last that long, bro. Come on, Soulja, what's going on, dog? Like I said, the smell, I cannot lie. That sweet smell is, and that creamy, yeah, I get that creamy too. But yeah, I think I said that. But that smell is amazing. I cannot lie. It does smell good. It does smell like a $250 scent, but the longevity, no. Nah. It's trash when it comes to longevity. But the smell, I can't lie. He did his thing with the smell. But this is for him, obviously. But yeah, man, come on, bro. Longevity, they gave them a 5.6 out of 10 for longevity. Nah. But they gave the scent a 5.4 on this site that I'm looking. But scent-wise, I would say it's a 6.5. Longevity, I would give it a 2. Because the amount of money you pay for this, you would think it would last longer. Like, come on, dog. Especially, I mean, on skin. Like, no. But I guess you're pretty much paying for the name. You're paying for this. The boxing is amazing. I'm not gonna lie. But, hold on one second. Let me make sure these motherfuckers not by my car. I can't stand non-car people, dog. But, yeah, bro. If this is worth, I don't think this is worth $250, bro. Like, the smell is fucking amazing. Like, my girl loves it, bro. She loves it. Like, like, this the first compliment. This is one of the, okay, what? This is the second one that she's actually complimented me on, I think. But, yeah, it's not worth no $250, bro. Come on, dog. Like, but I'm not gonna lie, it smells amazing. But as far as like longevity and the price, nah. I'm sorry, dude. But I think I said this is SBOY by Draco. If not, then that's the name of it. But I mean, if you can get it cheaper, I say buy it. But anything over like unless he can make it last longer on skin, then yes, it's worth over $100. But like $250, nah. It's not even worth $100, even though it smells amazing. Especially like I said, with the longevity, bro. Like, nah. Yeah, but it's not worth no $250. But it smells amazing. But I'm out, man. If you've tried it, what are your thoughts? Do you think it's worth $250? Even though it doesn't last as long on skin. But yeah, let me know. I'm out. Peace. Yeah.